So I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to take screenshots on this watch. So this is very simple, although you need the app, okay? You need the OHealth app to take screenshots. So let's say you're on a screen like maybe the Spotify screen. So let's, for instance, open Spotify and let's say you want to take a screenshot of this page. So what you want to do to take this screenshot is go to the OHealth app on your phone, tap on devices, and on the device page under my watch, you should see more, tap on it, and the last or one of the last items there is take screenshot. Okay, I'm not sure that was in focus, so let's do that again. OHealth app, tap on devices, and then tap on more, and then take screenshot. So now when you take a screenshot, when you tap on that, it's going to give you this page. Then you can tap on take screenshot. So once the screenshot has been taken, you can actually see the animation on the watch. So let's try again. Take a screenshot. You can see the animation on the watch and a temporary thumbnail, and all screenshots are saved to your phone's default gallery. So here are the screenshots I've taken with my watch. That is basically how to take screenshots on the OnePlus Watch 2. Thanks for watching and good luck.